Let's discuss sixth question in exercise 13.1. A medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispheres struck to each of its ends. See in the figure. See, this is the medicine capsule. The shape is cylinder. Middle one is a cylinder with two hemispheres struck to each of its end. Okay, see, here to here, this is one hemisphere, this region is one hemisphere, and here to here one hemisphere. Capsule ends is two hemisphere and middle one is a cylinder. Okay, the length of the entire capsule is 14 mm. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find the surface area. What is the surface area definition? The area or region occupied by a surface of the object. Okay, so here surface area of, therefore surface area of capsule equal to, here we have two hemispheres, only curved region. Okay, curved surface area of two hemispheres plus, see, this is the middle part is a cylinder. Here only middle part. There is no top and bottom. Okay, there is no top and bottom. There is no flat surfaces. Only consider the curved region. So curved surface area of cylinder. Okay, this is the surface area of capsule. Curved surface area of hemisphere, which is equal to 2 pi r square. Here two hemispheres. It means area of one hemisphere into 2. Here curved surface area is two hemispheres. Okay, one curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Here we have two hemispheres. So 2 into 2 pi r square plus curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Okay, two into pi value 22 by 7 r square. What is radius of the sphere? Radius here given diameter is 5 mm. Radius, then radius equal to diameter by 2, 5 by 2 whole square plus 2 into pi value 22 by 7. Radius is here to here. Radius is 5 by 2. What is the height of the cylinder? We know radius of the sphere, radius of the hemisphere is 5 by 2. It means 5 by 2 value is 2.5. Here radius of the cylinder, this is 2.5. Okay, here 2.5. Here to here 2.5 and here to here 2.5. Okay, remaining portion is cylinder. This portion is cylinder. Okay, so height of the cylinder is, total length is 14 minus radii of hemisphere 2.5. This is the one end and minus left end is 2.5, right hand is 2.5. Okay, 14 mm minus 2.5 minus 2.5. It gives height of the cylinder, which is equal to 14 minus 2.5 minus 2.55, which is equal to 9 millimeters. Okay. Therefore, height of the cylinder, H value equal to 9 mm. Two into 22 by 7. 5 square is 25. 2 square is 4. 2 into 2 4. This 4 get cancelled. Plus 2 into 22 into 5 by 2 by 7. 2 get cancelled, which is equal to 22 into 25. 22 into 25, which is equal to 275 by 7, plus 22 into 5. 5 2 is 10, 5 2 is 10. 110 by 7. Finally, therefore, surface area of capsule equal to 300 here 9 is there, into 9 into 9 into 110 is this 275, LCM is 7, 275 plus 990, 275 plus 990, which is equal to 1540 by 7. 7 twos 14, remaining 1, 14, 7 twos. So, which is equal to 220 millimeter square. Therefore, surface area of the capsule equal to 220 millimeter square.